Hello everyone.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to mall with my toys and my clothes because it is small.
Oh, his clothes are small, so we are going to the mall to buy some new clothes for him. Very nice, Rohit. Very nice. Keep it up. So बहुत टाइम हो गया था इसके कोई क्लोथ्स नहीं आए थे बिकॉज कोरोना टाइम्स में हम बहुत कम बाहर गए हैं. बट अब बेचारे के क्लोथ्स छोटे हो रहे हैं और ये बड़ा होता जा रहा है, तो इसके अब समर्स के थोड़े क्लोथ्स लेंगे हम जाकर.
So we are on our way to Sector 21 Dwarka Pacific Mall, and it's a beautiful day as you can see, and such a clear sky, and no better day to have a fun-filled experience of shopping. So let's go along and have a great time at the mall, and obviously with precautions because it's Corona time, and we have to take our precautions, wear our mask and sanitize our hands.
Okay, so we finally entered the mall. The boys are ready for shopping, and Rohin is requesting that he wants the toy first and the rest everything can be done later on, but Hitesh wants to have his shoes first. That's his toy, so Hitesh wants to buy his shoes first and then anything else. So it's a bingo between them, bingo going on कि फादर जीतेगा या बेटा जीतेगा, किसकी बात पहली माने जाएगी. This is the kids collection here. Hitesh is looking for his shoes, checking out something. I hope he likes something because otherwise time waste करेगा. ये ऑप्शन अवेलेबल थी जो इनके साइज़ में, एंड मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद ये आया था, बट इसमें उसका साइज़ ही नहीं अवेलेबल है. बट कोई बात नहीं, अब उसने एक शू पसंद की है और कुछ सैंडल पसंद की है, एंड बट मेरा दिल अभी भी उसी पे है. जो ऑलमोस्ट फ्री पड़े हैं बिकॉज ऑफ सम ऑफर. ये द्रोहिन के हैं और अंदर एक पैर द्रोहिन का है और एक पैर मेरे हस्बैंड ने अपनी मदर के ले लिया. फाइनली बिलिंग हो रही है और तेज को कुछ नहीं मिला तो बिलिंग होते होते भी पता कर रहा है कि कुछ मिल जाए, कितने का है कर रहा है. रोहिन रेस्टलेस हो रहा है बिकॉज उसको प्ले जोन जाना है. वो लिटरली हमें ड्रैग कर रहा है बिकॉज उसके सामने बिल्कुल प्ले जोन है और वो यहाँ पे फंसा हुआ है क्रॉक्स की शॉप में और उसको प्ले जोन जाना है. ये देखो लिटरली ड्रैग कर रहा है.
अच्छा देख अपने, अच्छा 1500 तक ठीक है, 1500 तक. उनको भी पता होना चाहिए पति की क्या.
बोलना फिर से क्या बोल रहे थे, एक बार बोलना फिर से क्या बोल रहे थे, एक बार बोलना फिर से, नहीं एक बार बोल दो.
1500 मत लियो यार, बहुत बुरा हाल होगा.
अब क्योंकि हमारे पास टाइम लिमिटेड रह गया था तो मैं यहाँ पे अभी फ़िलहाल अपना देखने आई हूँ 2 मिनट के लिए, एंड हितेश अपना ऊपर शूज़, अभी तक शूज़ ही देख रहा है. एंड आयरॉनिकली कहा जाता है कि गर्ल्स ज़्यादा टाइम लगाती हैं, बट यहाँ पे उल्टा केस है. मेरा हस्बैंड बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगाता है एंड मैं बहुत रेस्टलेस हूँ इस मामले में. अगर मुझे कुछ चाहिए होता है तो आई जस्ट स्पेंड 5 to 10 minutes ऑन इट. अगर उससे ज़्यादा लग रहा हो तो मैं वो चीज़ छोड़ के निकल लेती हूँ. तो मॉल ना अभी बिल्कुल बंद होने को था, तो बस लास्ट में मैंने अपनी ड्रेस ली। जब मैंने तुम्हें बताया था कि मैं और ड्रेस लेने जा रही हूँ, देखने जा रही हूँ, तो एक टॉप लिया मैंने। और उसके बाद टॉय शॉप्स बंद हो गई थी, तो ध्रुवन ने बस एक आची से छोटा सा कुछ टॉय लिए जो उसको समझ आ जाए। बस अब हम फूड कोर्ट में बैठे हैं, खा नहीं रहे हैं यहाँ पे बिकॉज कोरोना टाइम में हम यहाँ खाएंगे नहीं, सिर्फ पैक करवा रहे हैं और पानी लिया है। So we are finally home and this is my halat after the whole day. And now let me show you all the things that we've got.
This is my box.
What have you got? Please show everyone.
This is sketch pen and papers. 2 sketch pen coloring.
You like coloring?
Yes, sir.
And what else have you got? You've got shoes from Crocs, right?
Yes.
Can you show your shoe?
Yes. This is.
Oh, show it. Show the front side. Show the front side. This is the shoe he finally got and he changed his shoe there. वहाँ पे पहन लिया था आपने. Can you show me your toy?
Yes.
Wow, such a beautiful toy. तो जैसा कि ध्रुवन ने आपको दिखाया कि उसने ग्रे शूज़ लिए थे एंड दीज शूज़ आर फ्रॉम द क्रॉक्स न्यू रेंज कॉल्ड द लाइट राइड कलेक्शन। और वो इतने ही कंफर्टेबल शूज़ लग रहे थे एंड इसका फोम इतना सॉफ्ट है सोल से एंड इनको बहुत ईजीली वाइप करके क्लीन किया जा सकता है एंड इट विल बी एज गुड एज न्यू। एंड मैंने भी सेम शू लिया इन द सेम कलेक्शन, लाइट राइड कलेक्शन इन द गोल्डन कलर। इट वॉज सो ब्यूटिफुल एंड इट विल मैच विद ऑल द ड्रेसेस। एंड इसका सोल भी इतना सॉफ्ट था एंड ये भी बिल्कुल ऑलमोस्ट उतना ही पड़ रहे थे बिकॉज 3 शूज़ पर 60% ऑफ मिल रहा था हमें एंड दैट वॉज सच अ स्टील टू इट वॉज जस्ट अ डील दैट नो वन कैन फॉरगेट अबाउट। एंड इसका सोल इतना सॉफ्ट है, इतना ईजिली ये इसमें वॉक करा जा सकता है एंड ये कितना फ्लेक्सिबल शू है आप देखिए। एंड इसको वॉक करके बिल्कुल भी फीट में पेन नहीं हुई। इनफैक्ट मेरे शूज़ पेन कर रहे थे एंड आई चेंज द शू और इसमें वॉक करना इतना इजी था। और ये ध्रुवन ने साथ में ये वाले सैंडल्स लिए थे ऑफर में। These are the 2 tops that I got from Incense. This one is muted pink color. I really like this one. It's short from the front and long, very long from the back, so it comes like a waterfall. It was really beautiful. See, that is the top. And this one, it's a plain white top but with an edge because this has an inner and this will come like this from the side. So again, this one was very pretty, simple and pretty. Now let me show you the shoes that my husband got. It's a surprise for me also because I didn't see what he got. And again, just like Crocs, Skechers are also very comfortable to wear and the sole of the shoe, again, it's very comfortable all the time and you can run in these shoes, you can walk in these shoes. Wow, this is so pretty. This is a beautiful shoe. Again, it looks very comfortable. Oh, the shoe is so handsome. The guys are handsome, but here the shoes is very handsome. Look at this. This is such an edgy back portion of the shoe. Wow. वाह यार, मेरे बिना जाता तो बड़ी अच्छी शॉपिंग करके आता है. Okay, so this is the shoe I got from Stilettos. It is one of my favorite colors and it matches with most of my dresses. So I really like this. Okay, so these are the things that we've got today. मैंने 2 टॉप्स लिए हैं, हितेश ने स्केचर्स लिए हैं. उसके शूज़ मुझे बहुत पसंद आए हैं. बड़ी अच्छी शॉपिंग करके आया भाई. अकेला गया तो बिल्कुल बीवी के प्रेशर के बिना ना इतना अच्छा जूता खरीद के आया ना. वैसे अगर मैं होती ना साथ में हमेशा ग्रे 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 दिखता रहता और फिर मैं उसको मना करती, ये मतलब अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, प्लीज़ मतलब. मेरा जूता भी जो उसने पसंद किया ना वो बड़ा अच्छा है क्रॉक्स का, या ध्रुवन का भी जो क्रॉक्स का है वो लाइट राइड वाला, वो बहुत अच्छा है क्योंकि कंफर्टेबल है बहुत. दोनों ही बड़े कंफर्टेबल जूते हैं. मैं तो ले नहीं रही थी सीरियसली, पता है, बट वो ऑफ़र में मिल रहा था तो हितेश ने बोला प्लीज़ ले ले यार, तेरा इतने टाइम से तू मतलब बेलीज पहनते रहती है, ये पहनते रहती है, तो फिर उसने बोला यार चलते ले आ ही रहा है तो प्लीज़ तू भी ले ले, कोई बात नहीं. तो फिर ले दिया भाई, मैंने तो लेना ही नहीं था, मेरे को तो फ्री फंड में जूता मिल गया। चल कोई नहीं, फ्री का माल है। बस ध्रुविन के क्लोथ्स रह गए हैं, वो अब नेक्स्ट टाइम देखेंगे। अब मिल गया तो मिल गया, क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो कुछ नहीं मिला। चलो फिर देखते हैं तुम्हें नेक्स्ट मॉल में। बाय।
I'm heading home.
Wow, look at this. Rainbow life is so nice.
गाड़ी आ रही है, चल लो।
Okay, so Hitesh was craving for coffee, so सबसे पहले here we are. How is it? How is it? Tasty. Apparently coffee में ही इतना देर लग गया कि सारी शॉप्स क्लोजिंग का टाइम हो गया था. Only Miniso was open and nothing else. You like it?
Which flavor is it?
Strawberry.
Strawberry flavor.
Okay, here, wipe your fingers. Wipe your face. Eat. You like it?
Full मजे है.
Okay, so these are the things that I got from Miniso. I got this cap for Dhruhin. There were other designs also, but those were a little, florally and those kind of things. So those were a little girly. This one was good. It was very stylish and it looked appropriate for boys. So I really like these kinds of caps with rounded edges. It looks like it's baseball cap. Maybe these look like baseball caps, and it reminds me of the music group BTS because the guys in that wear these kind of caps. Now moving on from the caps, I got these 3 fragrances for myself. These are body mists, I guess. Yes, these are body mists. So I already have one, the green one, so I really liked that one, so I got intrigued by using that. So I wanted the other fragrances also, so I got this one. This is Joyful Dance body mist, Joyful Dance. This is, I think, rosy in its fragrance. It must be rose, whatever. That's Joyful Dance. This is Ocean Kiss, and this one is Exotic Love. All of these are very nice, so I got these fragrances for myself. Then I got one liquid lipstick and one lipstick from Miniso. But of course, makeup lover will take makeup, but हर जगह का makeup एक तरफ और Miniso का makeup एक तरफ. So I got लेने का बिल्कुल वो नहीं था, इरादा नहीं था, but देखकर मन रुका नहीं. And moving on, I got this spoon set with this case. It's very good to travel with, because when you're traveling with kids, it's to a mall or anywhere, you're going for an outing, or maybe you're traveling out of the city or out of the country. Then these kinds of sets, these are very easy to travel with because you can keep your spoons and forks hygienic for the kids. And I already have this one. I also got this one from Miniso in previously, and I already like this one. So I got one more set for Dhruhin, and Dhruhin wanted a bottle for himself. I asked him whether he wants a stuffed toy for himself, a sleeping buddy for himself, but he said that no, I want a bottle. So he got this bottle. It's a glass bottle, but it has this plastic coating, so it will. Apparently, the man threw it and showed us that this will not break easily. So he got this bottle from Miniso. Okay, while I was opening these, I got to know a very interesting fact that these are now made in India. This is how the lipstick looks, and this is how the liquid lipstick looks. So these are the swatches of those two lipsticks. lipsticks. This brown one is the liquid lipstick. It's a caramel kind of brown. I really liked this one. And the other one is tangerine. The name is tangerine. It in the box it looks as if it will be, bright orange color, but actually it is a rusty orange color. So that's what I liked about it. And rusty orange and caramel browns, these are my two favorite tones in lipsticks. Okay, so last day we spent all the time at the coffee shop and we did not get time to get any clothing for Dhruhin. So we came back to Uniqlo at the Vegas Mall, and even this orange jacket that Dhruhin was wearing is from Uniqlo. It is the same as this jacket, this pink jacket. It's for women and it is the typical Korean style of jacket. But I also wanted this, but it was quite expensive for women. For kids it was on sale. So right now I liked this one. I already have this shirt from Uniqlo. I got it from here only. Okay, Dhruhin was very much involved and he was selecting stuff for me. He said that, Mama, I like this navy blue one. So apparently I have this in pink color, so I could not get this particular design. And I started looking elsewhere.
Whichever you like.
I like this.
You like this one?
Yes.
And what about this one?
This one also.
This one also.
And
This one will be front open shirt.
कोई भी ले ले जो तेरे को पसंद है.
now, Mama, I go in the
I like both. You want to go to the toy shop again?
Yes. One tiny
Okay.
toy.
Okay, we'll decide.
Let's go.
यार मेरा फोन क्यों खींच रहा है?
क्या करना चाहते हो? What do you want? Huh?
Toy shop.
You want to go to the toy shop? Okay, we'll go.
Calm down.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
2
1
minutes.
minute.
Please, please.
2 minutes.
Huh?
2 minutes के बाद जाओ.
Okay. Kids section. Kids clothing. So I especially wanted pants and bottoms for Dhruhin because वो उसके बहुत ज़्यादा small हो रहे हैं. And this was the jacket that Dhruhin already has, that the one that he's wearing, and I got it from Uniqlo only on sale. And these are the t-shirts with various Mickey Mouse and different kinds of designs, but he already has these kinds of t-shirts and a lot in number because he got so many t-shirts like this from Goa last year. And so I finally got one winter stuff for him and nothing else, and I then got my 2 t-shirts. He is eating his homemade food because corona times we are not preferring to eat outside. At least he is not eating outside. He is just waiting for his coffee, and Dhruhin is eating. You like your food? You'll wipe your face. So we are finally heading back home, and the white bag is Dhruhin's toys only, and the other bag is the Uniqlo shirt that I got for myself and the Dhruhin's winter wear. Look at my boys already wearing their new shoes. Dhruhin is wearing his Crocs and Hitesh is wearing his Skechers. They want comfort when they are out in the market. So we are exiting the Vegas Mall, Buy Mall, and these boys, my boys, have been wearing their new shoes for a while now. For the full day they were wearing it, because before coming to the mall they went for Dhruhin went for cycling, so he was already wearing those shoes, and even Hitesh was wearing his Skechers at that time. So boys, what are your reviews of about your shoes?
Mine were brilliant. बहुत अच्छे थे, बहुत comfortable and extremely, you know, cushion था उसमें, तो बहुत अच्छे, extremely comfortable.
Okay. And Dhruhin, what about you? Your shoes?
Your shoes is very comfortable.
Your shoes were comfortable.
Yeah.
You like your shoes?
Yeah.
Did your foot hurt?
No.
Were your legs hurting?
No.
No, not at all.
No.
That's very nice. And what about you?
They were very comfortable, यार.
No, were your legs hurting?
No, totally comfortable. कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं थी.
Okay. One thing that I feel, that some normally other shoes, you know what happens is when you walk for a longer time, the shoes give a strain to your calf muscle. Your calf muscle starts paining. That back muscle behind your bone, that area starts hurting. So was this calf muscle hurting? Doing this calf muscle, this is your calf muscle. Was your calf muscle hurting while walking in these shoes?
No.
And what about you?
Hurting, massage it.
Were your calf muscles hurting?
Yes, we're hurting a lot. बहुत hurt हो रहा है.
I'm asking seriously.
हाँ, seriously.
Now seriously tell me, were your calf muscles
हाँ,
hurting?
बहुत ज़्यादा hurt हो रहा है और बहुत दर्द हो रही है. अब I really deserve a massage की, मतलब अच्छे से मेरी foot massage हुए तो मेरी दर्द थोड़ी ठीक हो जाए.
Okay, I'll call a masseuse for you.
अच्छा, नहीं हो रही दर्द, बिल्कुल ठीक है.
Are you sure?
हाँ, बिल्कुल ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है.
Finally, we've got little stuff for Dhruhin. You know, clothing wise, one cloth item we have only got, and that too it's not for summers. So for summers we are planning that we'll order online from First Cry or somewhere else, but because right now we're not getting anything offline for him appropriately, so we'll probably order offline. Dhruhin, are you excited for your new clothes?
Appropriately, and also कि अभी मतलब discounts are also almost off ना, तो फिर we are getting it. अगर हम mall जाएंगे तो फिर mall के prices पे ही मिल रहा है. So we are thinking कि why not purchase online, ताकि एक तो discount भी अच्छा मिल जाएगा, and obviously kids grow fast, तो मतलब it will be more sensible कि हम अच्छे discount पे online ले लें और ज़्यादा सामान ले लें, because then he can shuffle around and चेंज करके अलग अलग डिजाइन पहन सकता है, rather than taking limited stuff and then उसी में ही satisfy होने से बेटर है कि ज़्यादा ले लें वहाँ.
Exactly, and you get a lot of good variety on Amazon and First Cry. First Cry especially, it's a heaven for kids. And so anyhow, but as usual, if we are at the mall, Dhruhin is bound to take something from the toy shop. So
he got Ludo na, he loves Ludo, so he has gotten a new Ludo which he has 10 I think at home.
Yes,
but
apparently he gets Ludo
every
a lot.
time he goes.
Every time. He is very fond of Ludo and snakes and ladders. And one more thing, that he never lets the snake bite him. Even if his peck comes on that number where the snake is lying, where the snake is, he'll not agree that snake will bite him.
Magically एक step आगे चले जाता है.
Exactly. वो कहता है कि बेबीज को तो स्नेक काटता नहीं है ना? आपको काटता है snakes and ladders में? बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Why? काटता है. But you don't move your peck. Okay, these are the things that Dhruhin got from the $99 shop. He got this famous snakes and ladders for himself. And then I got these rubber bands for my mom. She wanted rubber bands, so I got these for my mom. I got one coffee scrub. It's sulfate free and everything. So I thought of trying it. And he got this activity book and this fun with words game. So it's a learning game. He got these pencil colors, mini pack, whatever was available there. And he got these stencils for himself so that he can learn mini drawings. A good shop for kids to go if if kids are like they always want toys and everything, so they can always go to these kinds of shops and get stuff for them every now and then. And the previous day he got toys from Toys R Us, their toy bus Toys R Us. I don't know which brand, what's the name of the shop. And one more day previously got one toy from Hamleys. So these are the shops that are available here in Dwarka. So he keeps on buying stuff from maybe Hamleys or Toys R Us or this 99 shop. Now comes the Uniqlo stuff. I got this for Druhin. It's a winter piece, velvety. He'll be using it next year. And this was on sale, so I got this. It was for $5.90, I think. Yes, so it was on sale. Anyhow, I got these two stuffs for myself. This is a plain white t-shirt for me. It was on clearance, apparently. So this one I got for, I think, $3.50. Yeah, $3.90. So this one was on clearance. And I got this long shirt for myself. This has to be worn open, and below this you can wear pants and t-shirt, so it looks really chic, really cool. So that was it for this video. These are the stuff that I got for myself or for Druhin or for Hitesh. Do tell me in the comment section below that what product did you like the most, and which product will you like to purchase for yourself or for your family members or for kids, whatever. And I really enjoyed this little outing, and I really am happy that Druhin enjoyed this outing. After a very long time, he went outside and he enjoyed getting little toys for himself and having that, he played in the toys section. So that was a very nice thing to see, that after a long time he's playing in an area like that. So I'm happy that he got stuff for himself, and I'm happy that he got shoes for himself. Hitesh got shoes for himself, because Druhin's size has changed for clothing or for shoes. So all his other previous shoes were small, and kids, they grow very fast, be it clothing items and shoes, shoes. You always need new stuff for kids because they grow very fast. We are still planning to buy clothes for him because his previous summer clothes are small. Shoes were a hit, be it for me, the Crocs shoes, or for Druhin or for Hitesh. The shoes were a hit. Those were quite affordable on sale. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe to my channel, and please do increase this glam family. Share this video with your friends, with other people, and do tell me where I can improve my content. What all would you guys want me to film, because this is a very new journey for me to vlog and to talk to you guys. So I want to increase this family as much as I can, and जितना हो सके मैं चाहूँगी कि मैं बहुत ऑनेस्टली आप लोगों के साथ अपनी लाइफ को शेयर कर सकूं. एंड वन मोर थिंग, अगर यहाँ तक आप लोग मेरे साथ रहे हो तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर स्टेइंग विद मी, फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. एंड आई होप आप सबको बहुत हैप्पीनेस मिले लाइफ में. सो बाय एवरीवन, थैंक यू एवरीवन, बाय बाय, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, बाय.